Once upon a time, in a lush rainforest, there lived a colorful parrot named Pablo. Pablo had bright green feathers, with streaks of red, blue, and yellow on his wings and tail. He lived a carefree life, flying through the trees and singing his melodious tunes. One day, while Pablo was out exploring, he stumbled upon a group of humans who were on a safari. They were amazed by his vibrant colors and unique voice. One of the humans, a young girl named Mia, was particularly captivated by Pablo's beauty and charm. She begged her parents to let her take Pablo home with her, and after much convincing, they finally agreed. Pablo was skeptical of his new surroundings at first. He missed the warm embrace of the rainforest, and the company of his feathered friends. But as time passed, he grew fond of Mia and her family. They treated him with kindness and love, and even built him a spacious cage to live in. Pablo soon became the star attraction of the household. He would entertain the family with his funny antics and beautiful singing voice. Mia would often spend hours talking to him, sharing stories and secrets that she couldn't tell anyone else. As time went by, Pablo became an integral part of Mia's life. He would wake her up every morning with his cheerful chirping, and keep her company throughout the day. Mia cherished her time with Pablo, and often confided in him when she was feeling down. One day, while Mia was away at school, a fierce storm hit the town. The winds were so strong that they knocked over Pablo's cage, and he was swept away by the gusts. Mia was devastated when she came home to find Pablo missing. She searched the entire neighborhood, but there was no sign of him. Days turned into weeks, and Mia had almost given up hope of ever finding Pablo. But one morning, as she was getting ready for school, she heard a familiar chirping outside her window. She rushed to open it, and to her surprise, there was Pablo, perched on a nearby branch. Tears streamed down Mia's face as she hugged Pablo tightly. He had survived the storm, and managed to find his way back home. From that day on, Mia made a promise to never take Pablo for granted, and to always cherish the time they had together. And so, Pablo and Mia lived happily ever after, sharing a bond that could never be broken.